In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Maria going to the bank. Lastly, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Maria's trip to the bank. Maria had just moved to a new city, and one of the first things she needed to do was open a bank account. She had never done this alone before, so she felt a little nervous. But she knew it was important, especially since she needed a safe place to keep her money. One sunny morning, Maria decided to visit the nearest bank. The bank was a large building with shiny glass windows, and a logo she recognized. As she walked through the doors, she saw a long queue of people waiting for their turn. "Good morning. How can I help you today?" said the friendly receptionist at the entrance. Maria smiled and replied, "Hi. I'd like to open a bank account, please." The receptionist pointed to a ticket machine. "Please take a number and wait in queue. Someone will call you soon." Maria took her number and sat down. As she waited, she listened carefully to how others spoke to the bank employees. Some people were making deposits, others were withdrawing money, and a few were opening new accounts just like Maria. After a few minutes, Maria heard her number being called. She walked up to the counter and greeted the bank teller with a smile. "Hello, I'd like to open a new bank account, please," Maria said confidently. "Of course," the teller replied. "May I see your ID and proof of address?" Maria handed over her passport and a bill with her new address on it. The teller looked at the document and smiled. "Everything looks good. Now let me explain your options." The teller talked about different types of accounts. A savings account, which would help her save money with interest, and a checking account, which she could use for everyday expenses. Maria listened carefully and asked questions when she didn't understand something. "Which account would you like to open?" the teller asked. "I think a checking account would be best for now," Maria said, feeling more confident. The teller helped Maria fill out some forms, and after a few minutes, she had a brand new bank account. The teller also gave her a debit card, which she could use to pay for things and withdraw money from ATMs. "Is there anything else I can help you with?" the teller asked. Maria thought for a moment. "Yes. How can I check my balance online?" The teller smiled and explained how Maria could set up online banking. She even helped Maria download the bank's app on her phone. After everything was done, Maria thanked the teller and left the bank with a bigger smile on her face. She felt proud of herself for taking care of something so important, all on her own. Now she was ready for her new life in the city. Receptionist. A person who greets and helps people when they enter a building or office. The receptionist asked Maria to take a number and wait. Deposit. To put money into a bank account. Maria went to the bank to deposit $200 into a savings account. Withdraw. To take money out of a bank account. Maria needed cash, so she withdrew $50 from the ATM. Debit card. A card that allows you to pay for things directly from your bank account. Maria used her debit card to buy groceries at the supermarket. Teller. A bank employee who helps customers with transactions, like deposits and withdrawals. The teller helped Maria open her new bank account. Balance. The total amount of money in your bank account. After Maria withdrew $50, her account balance was $450. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.